Incoming message.
Hello you, I didn't see you by there. I'm just editing my latest video about coconut wine, and I noticed something in the video that I recall whilst making the video. It's a bit bizarre, it is. Whilst I was filming and putting my sugar into the demijohn, I heard a whimpering, gushing noise from about the middle of the shipping container, and it seemed to be coming towards me, and then all of a sudden I felt something barge past me and push ever so slightly against me, but it was noticeable, it was there, and I didn't think anything of it much at the time. I just carried on with the video. Yeah, whatever. But looking back at the video, at that clip, it's a bit strange, it is. So anyway, here's the clip. Have a look and see for yourself, and let me know what you think. And add that 1 kilogram with a bit of water into the demijohn. And add that 1 kilogram of sugar with a bit of water into the demijohn. Brilliant. Weird, isn't it? There was definitely this whimpering, gushing noise, and then something did barge past me, this type of energy or force. It pushed me, just on my side, just not, it wasn't a forceful push, it was more of a, just pushing past. Maybe stop and look and drop me a bit on edge slightly, but that's besides the point. Anyway, other things have been strange as well. My battery in my microphone, that has been cutting out really soon. I might put new AA batteries in just before I press play, and within 10 minutes of me doing the opening introduction, they've gone. Now I know they're brand new batteries, a good type, so not these El Cheapo type you get with Chinese import toys and stuff, but they are good, proper quality batteries. And the microphone will normally last for 3, 4, 5 videos before I even need to think about looking to replace them. Look at this clip by here, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's get into the beetroot and chilli wine recipe. Fantastic. Oh, what? Battery's gone. Butter. And I blame her. She's been in my shipping container since these things started happening. I don't know where I got her from. I don't particularly like her. So I just said the shipping container and the far end is where she belongs. And some people in my videos have commented as well that they have seen her move by herself on her own without me doing anything, without me being near. Her head might turn. It's strange. I don't like her. I know, and I don't know if she's one of those dolls. You know, one of those dolls? No, cheeky you, not the type that comes with a punch repair kit, no. But one of those possessed, haunted, cursed dolls. You know, you hear about those, Annabelle and all that type of doll. So, I'm going to be keeping an eye on her. I don't know what she's called, so if a name comes to you telepathically from the doll to you, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see if there's a general consensus about what her name is. Fantastic. So what do you think? Am I being a bit strange, hearing scampering noises and feeling forces push past me, and batteries dying, and people seeing her head twist and turn on its own accord? So I will see you really soon in my next video. You have fun now. Toodle pip.